Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Morning Podcast. Now let's see how the market have done in yesterday's trade. Sensex has declined by 0.18%, settling at 82,201. Nifty has lost 0.21%, settling at 25,145. Nifty Mid Cap 100 has gained 0.38% and Small Cap 100 has gained 1.03%. Now let's look at the gainers and losers of Nifty 50. The gainers are Titan, Wipro, BPCL, ITC, Tata Steel, Asian Paints and Axis Bank, while the losers are Cipla, Coal India, Reliance, Britannia, M&M, ONGC and L&T. Now let's look at the sector-wise performance. BSE Consumer Durable was the highest gainer at 0.82%, followed by BSE Telecommunication at 0.70%, BSE IT at 0.43%. The highest loser was BSE Realty at 0.95% negative, BSE Capital Goods at 0.61% negative, and BSE Energy at 0.55% negative. Now let's look at the market breadth. 2249 stocks have advanced while 1679 stocks have declined. Now let's look at the 52-week high and low. 193 stocks have scaled 52-week high like Ashok Buildcon, DMart, Goldian, Jindal Saw, Sporting, Time Technoplast, Whirlpool, while 18 stocks are trading at 52-week low. Now let's look at the FIDI numbers. FII were the net seller to the tune of 689 crores, while DI were the buyers to the tune of 2,970 crores. Now let's look at the global cues. The global cues looks mixed as US market ended largely in red as new job created in private sector in August stood at 99,000, which is lowest since 2021. Initial jobless claim at 2.27 lakh is in line with 2.29 lakhs. Today, non-farm payroll data will be keenly watched. The crude has now dropped to $72.7 per barrel. The Asian market is largely trading in mixed. We expect a flat start to the market. Now let's look at the Stockwise Development. KC International. The company received a new order worth Rs 1,423 crore for supply and installation of 380 kV transmission lines in Saudi Arabia. This remained positive for the company. Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizer. The company approved the issue of secured and unsecured NCDs aggregating to 1,400 crore. This remained positive for the company. Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail. The company will raise fund up to 500 crore through NCD. This remained positive for the company. Ashok Buildcon. The company announced that its wholly owned subsidiary Viva Highways has successfully monetized its land in Hinjewadi, Pune for the value of 453 crore. This remained positive for the company. L&T Finance. The company has issued 17,500 listed secured NCD worth Rs 175 crore to select investors through a private placement. This remained positive for the company. Wipro. The company has been enlisted by JFK International Air Terminal as the operator of its Terminal 4. This remained neutral for the company. JSW Energy. The company has received a 55 lakh tax penalty for the financial year 1920. This remained neutral for the company. Adani Enterprise. The company has approved the early closure of NCD, which is closed now on September 6 instead of September 17. This remains neutral for the company. Jindal Stainless. The company has supplied high-strength tempered 301 LN grade authentic stainless steel for the prestigious government project. The coaches are manufactured by Integral Coach Factories and Bharat Earth Movers. This remains positive for the company. Sky Gold. The company approved the issuance of 4.17 lakh paid off equity shares worth Rs 50 crore. The shares were issued as a part of share swap deal in exchange of acquiring 100% ownership in Sparkling Chain Private Limited and Stal Mangalsutra Private Limited. This remained positive for the company. Pidilite Industries. Coltech Group, a company specializing in high-performance adhesive and thermal solution, has signed an exclusive disbursement agreement with Pidilite Industries. Under the partnership, the Pidilite will be the sole distributor of Coltech products in India, helping both companies strengthen market presence and especially in electronic industry. This remained positive for the company. MedPlus Health Services. Optimal Health Solution Private Limited, the subsidiary, has received 2 suspension orders for drug license for stores situated in Bangalore, Karnataka. This remained neutral to negative for the company. Akzo Nobel India. The company has commenced the commercial production of the powder coating product from its plant at Gwalior with an installed product capacity of 5,166 ton per annum. This remained positive for the company. Allcargo Logistics. EU Worldwide Korea, a joint venture company of Allcargo Logistics, has incorporated a company in the name of Allcargo ULS Terminals Co. Limited. This remain neutral for the company. Nuclear Software, the company buyback worth rupees 72 crore is open on September 9th and will be closed on September 13th. This will be positive for the company. Venus Pipes. The Revenue Intelligence Directorate conducted a research at the company's corporate office over the alleged evasion of custom duty on goods imported. The company has deposited 5 crore as duty. This remains negative for the company. Matrimony.com. The company has approved 72 crore buyback at 1025 per share. This remains positive for the company. Dreamfox. It introduced its latest service catering to travelers on highway across India. This remains positive for the company. Camlin Fine Science. Board to consider fundraise by right issue of equity shares on September 10. This remains positive for the company. Now let's look at the new listing. Bazaar Style Retail. Shares of Rekha Jhunjhunwala backed firm to list on stock exchange today. The IPO was subscribed 40 times on the third day, led by institutional investors. The issue price has been set at 389. Now let's look at the block deals. Shanti Education Initiative. New Liena Investment sold 18 lakh shares. LGOF Global Opportunity sold 22.77 lakh shares. On the other hand, Legend Global Opportunity bought 22.77 lakh shares at 118 per share. Let's look at the bulk deals. Rama Steel Tubes, Ritti Private Limited bought 87.2 lakh shares. Oswald Green Tech bought 124.61 lakh shares. Bhavini Techno Project Limited sold 48.54 lakh shares. Appu Impex sold 36.86 lakh shares. Alliance Techno Project Limited sold 26 lakh shares and Lucky Star Entertainment Limited sold 13.2 lakh shares at 51 rupees per share. Next is Max Financial Services. Max Venture Investment Holding Private Limited sold 110 lakh shares at 1107 per share. Ratan India Enterprise. LGOF Global Opportunity Limited sold 117.92 lakh shares at 81 per share and Konecor Investment sold 82.61 lakh shares at 83 per share. Thangamal Jewelries. Chandra Mohan RJ bought 3.53 lakh shares at 2140 per share. Now let's look at the insider trades. Sonata Software promoter Sujit Mohanty sold 25,000 shares between July 13 to September 4. C Automotive India promoter Anil Haridas sold 46,000 crore shares and promoter Anjil Power Haridas sold 88,000 shares on September 3. Promoter Anil Haridas sold 88,000 and promoter Anjali Haridas sold 9,000 on September 4. NIIT promoter Sanjay Mal sold 25,000 shares. Pidilite Industries promoter Harish Himmatlal Parekh sold 0.15 crore shares on September 4. Safari Industries promoter Safari Commercial LLP sold 1 lakh shares on September 4. Dr. Lal Patla promoter Honey Bridge Dr. Arvind Lal sold 2 lakh shares on September 3. Usha Martin promoter Peter House Investment Limited sold 0.7 crore shares between September 3 to September 4. Now let's look at the trading tweaks. Today is the extra record dividend for Eclair Services, Shipping Corporation of India, Senco Gold, Sterling Tools, Tattva Chintan, Tribeni Turbine, Vardhaman Textile, Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizer and Chemicals, Gujarat State Petronet, KRBL, Medi Assistant Healthcare, Metroband, NBCC, The New India Assurance, Protein eGov Technology, Quest Corp, Response Industries, Triveni Engineering, and Zen Technology. Today is the extra record dividend for VST Industries. That's it for today. Thank you for listening.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.